So there you have it. Here goes our sesame chicken. It cooked very nicely. It's all drained from the oil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in our oven that we preheated, remember, for at 300 degrees. So we're going to take that and just kind of pop it in there. And we're going to let it sit and we're going to let it stay warm, because right now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the vegetables for our stir fry. Okay, so let's quickly get our vegetables ready for the stir fry. This is basil right here. This is not actually going in the stir fry, but we're going to, on top at the end when we present it, we'll just sprinkle a little bit on top. So I'm pulling off these stems. I just want the leaves, like so. And whenever you can, if you can always get fresh basil and cut it yourself, I think that's the way to go. I mean, you know, if you're in a rush and you want to get it out of, you know, the bottle that you can find and just kind of like, that's fine. But this is always better, just getting fresh basil. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a bowl here, and I'm just going to cut it finely. And there you have it. And then we're just going to move that off to the side. Like that.